Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Wang. Here is the question. If x equals square root of 3 minus square root of 2, what is the value of this 7th degree polynomial? Due to the special structure of x, which is the difference of two square roots, if we plug in x value into this 7th degree polynomial directly, it will make this question more complicated. The highest power is 6. Instead, we are going to simplify this condition and reduce the 7th power polynomial into a 2nd power polynomial. Therefore, we can replace x in that 2nd degree polynomial to find out the final answer. Here is the detail. First, we simplify the given condition x. Rewrite this given condition. We square both sides. What are we trying to do? We want to get rid of the root sign. Continue to simplify. Rewrite this equation as the following. We have square root here again. How to get rid of the square root sign? Square both sides again. The left-hand side is 8x squared. The right-hand side is 1 minus 2x squared plus x to the power 4. Simplify this equation, we have x to the power 4 minus 10x squared plus 1 equals 0. This is the important equation. We are going to use this to reduce this polynomial from degree 7 to degree 2. How? We use the long division. This polynomial divided by this 4th degree polynomial. Then we have the quotient is x to the power 3 plus 3x squared plus 1. The remainder is 5x squared plus x minus 2. Because x to the power 4 minus 10x squared plus 1 is 0. We reduce 7th degree polynomial into a 2nd degree polynomial. Now, we can easily replace x value by the given number, which is square root of 3 minus square root of 2. Simplify. Continue to simplify. Simplify again. And we have the final answer. This is the final answer. That's all. Thanks for watching and see you next time.